Hello dear students, greetings of the day. I, Mohammad Zichan, welcome you to the online classes of Bloomingburg Code School Sambal. This is the third lecture of chapter 2, Geographic Grid, Latitudes and Longitudes. In last lecture we have studied about latitudes. In this lecture we are going to study about longitude, lines of longitude. So I have already told you about lines of longitude. So I have already explained you, but now I will explain you according to the books, the points which are given in the book. A longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. This I have already explained you. The prime meridian is the line of longitude whose angular distance is defined as 0 degree. It passes through Greenwich near London. So I have already shown you from where the prime meridian passes through. I drew that line if you remember. This is prime meridian, okay? If you can see, this is the prime meridian. So this line we have taken as a line of reference which is 0 degree, right? And this line is prime meridian. Oh, sorry. So this is 0 degree prime meridian. This is taken as a line of reference. From here we measure the lines, okay, various lines, whether it is 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, like this. These lines, all lines are lines of longitudes. Here also lines of longitudes, clear? And then the lines to the west of Greenwich are suffixed with, so this here, these lines, okay, these lines are suffixed with W. It is 1 degree west, 2 degree west, 10 degree west, 15 degree west, or 60 degree west, anything, okay. And here to the east it is suffixed with east, 10 degree east, 10 degree east, 20 degree east, okay, this way east and this way west. This is the line of reference, okay. It means the prime meridian is dividing the earth into two equal halves, that is the western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Then we are having, there are total 360 lines at 1 degree interval. So total lines of longitudes are 360 in number, okay, 360 in number, including 0, right? The lines of longitudes are also called meridians of longitude. Meridian is derived from the Latin word. Achha, now you will be confusing, sir, why these are 360 including 0? It is 360 because we are having 10 degree prime meridian, okay. Then we are having 179 lines here and 179 here, right? 179 here, you can say, right? And then we are having one line which is 180 degree, 180 degree line. That line is for both, for if it is east and it is west, so that is same for east and 180 degree west. So here this is 0 degree, and just opposite to this, here we are having 180 degree, which is the ideal also, international date line. This line is 180. So if you are counting from here, okay, this is eastern hemisphere, right? This is western hemisphere. So if you are counting from here, then you will start counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like this. You will reach here 170, 75, 76, 78, 79, and then this 180 will come, okay. And similarly from here also, when you will keep going towards western hemisphere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, okay, 160, 170, 171, 172 and 179 and then 180. Okay, so from both the side this one line will be counted. Okay, this is singular line, you can say one line only, 180-degree east and 180-degree west, both are same. Okay, so one line only. So we count 179 plus 179, right? So 179 lines are there. These are the lines, okay, and one line of 0 degree and one line of 180 degree. So total how many? 199. This is 0 degree, okay. We are having one line of 0 degree, right? And then we are having one line of 180 degree. Clear? So it will be 10, 10, 0, 7, 7, 14 and 2, 16. Carried 1, 1, 1, 2 and 3. So total 360 lines are there. Clear? Then they are saying the lines of longitudes are also called meridians of longitude. Meridian is derived from the Latin word meridianum, meaning noon. The sun crosses a meridian at noon. All places on a particular meridian will have noon at the same time. So meridian means a place, a line from when it is noon at a place. Okay. Then we are having all meridians of longitudes converge at the poles and are thus of equal length. Okay, that's all. The distance between two lines of longitude is maximum at equator. It is 111 km. I have already told you. The distance decreases gradually as one moves towards the poles. I have already told you all these points. Okay, so no need to just tell it again, read it again. I have already explained you. Now we will study one very interesting thing, which is longitude and time. This is very interesting thing. Longitude and time. See, uh, the time phenomena depends on longitude, not on the latitude. Clear? Why? I'll show you this by a demonstration in a dark room also if I get time. Otherwise, I am telling you right like this only. See, suppose if I am showing a torch from here, this chalk is a torch, okay, or a sun, right? Then what will happen? The light will fall on this. Clear? And as we know that Earth is moving from uh, this direction, from west to east, this way. Earth is moving this way, right? From west to east, you can say. Clear? Here. This is eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere, right? This is east. This is west. So Earth is moving from west to east. Then only sun appears as rising from east to west. Okay, sun rises from east and set in the west. Why it appears? Because the Earth is moving in opposite direction. Earth is moving from west to east. Okay, that is why sun appears to move from east to west. Okay, although sun is stationary, sun never moves. Okay, clear? It is the Earth which is revolving around sun and also rotating. Clear? So this rotation phenomena, this one phenomena is responsible for days and nights. Okay, and day and night is time. Clear? The sensation of time is calculated by the dark and the light. Clear? So we are having a cycle of dark and a cycle of light. 12 hours day and 12 hours night during the equinoxes time. Okay, and whereas during winters we are having short duration of day and long duration of night. Summers, long durations of day and short duration of night. Clear? That we know, and these things we will study in detail in next chapter, rotation and revolution. For here I am telling you about the time calculation only. So Earth is moving this way. Clear? Earth is moving this way. Means suppose this is the 180 degree here and this is sun. So first the places which are in the easternmost side, okay, they will experience the day, right? Like suppose this is India. So in India, first the seven sisters, northeastern states will experience the day, Assam, okay, and all these things, right? Then Bengal, okay. Then afterwards it will rotate furthermore, and then central India, this one Odisha, Bihar, okay, this one region will experience, right? And then afterwards this region will experience, right, the day. Getting or not? So here it means that, okay, the time or the experience of daylight is same. Okay, if sun is there, then all the places, okay, like suppose sunlight is falling, sunlight will fall here directly, okay, and some uh, dispersed lights will also fall here and here, okay, getting or not, but here in concentration form. So if the sun rays are directly falling here on this place or at this place, okay, here, then what will happen, this place will be having noon, okay, the sun will be the overhead, okay, so there will be 12 o'clock, right, and temperature will be very high. Likewise, but here the sun rays will fall slantingly, okay, so here also the sun will be at the highest position for the day in the sky, okay, from here, right, and here also the sun will be at the highest position, okay, for the day in the sky, getting, and then but here also at that time will be 12 o'clock, here also that time will be 12 o'clock, okay, but temperature will be low here, temperature will be low here, but temperature will be very high here. Why? Because sun rays are falling directly here, getting or not, on this portion sun rays are falling directly, and here diffuse lights is getting receiving by these places, getting, so temperature will be low, temperature will be low, but time will be same, okay, here you will be receive maximum lights of the day at 12 o'clock, okay, so it will be noon, right, here also you will receive maximum light for the day, right, and that time when you receive maximum light of the day, that is called noon only, okay, right. So when the sun is at the highest position in the sky, at equator it will be the overhead, okay, but at north pole and south pole it will be slight, not overhead, but it will be at the highest position, okay. During summers, on Tropic of Cancer, on June 21st of June, the sun is overhead, okay, and during winters, okay, the sun is not able to rise till the head, but it goes this way, okay, but still during at the time of 12 hours noon, okay, the sun is at the highest position in the sky. That's what I'm telling you, okay. So here you can see that, okay, on these lines time remains same, okay, whether it is this country, this country, this country, whether it is Algeria or it is Spain or France or England, okay, time will be same, okay, downside also, clear. And as earth is moving this way, right, and we have taken this line 0 degree prime meridian as the line of reference, okay, we take it as 0 degree, okay, if we take it 0 degree, if it is 12 o'clock, right, if it is 12 o'clock here, right, at this place, then the time at 15 degree it will be 1 o'clock, the time at 30 degree it will be 2 o'clock, the time at 45 degree it will be 3 o'clock, right, and time at 60 degree it will be how much, 4 o'clock, right, and time at 75 degree it will be how much, 5 o'clock, right, and time at 82 and a half degree will be 5 and a half o'clock, right, which is the standard meridian of India, okay. So 0 degree is England, 82 and a half degree is the standard meridian of India, right. So there is a difference of 82 and a half degrees, right, and the time difference is 5 hours and half minute. So how it is, that I am going to tell you. So earth is rotating this way, and it is completing its one circle, one round of 360 degree in 24 hours, okay, it is rotating 360 degree in 24 hours, right. So then in 15 it will rotate in 24 hours, it is rotating for 360 degree. So when you divide 360 by 24, how much you will get, you will get 12, 5, right, so you will get 15 degrees, right. So means in 24 hours earth is able to rotate completely, that is 360 degree, one complete rotation, right, 24 hours. So it means in 1 hour only 15 degree rotation will be there, getting around 15 degree rotation will be there. Or you can say the time for 360 degrees is 24, and for 15 degrees is 1 hour, which is 15 degrees is 60 minute, or you can say 1 degree is 4 minute, okay, 1 degree is 4 minutes. So suppose if I am saying this is 0 degree, okay, and I know that 0 degree is prime meridian. We are talking about lines of longitude. So this is prime meridian, right? This is 0 degree, and I am saying this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree, this is 4 degree, this is 5 degree, this is 6 degree, this is 7 degree. Okay, if it is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree and 7 degree. So what does that mean? It means that the time difference at 1 degree will be of 4 minutes. Okay, so here 1 minus 0, it means there is a difference of 1 degree. So at 1 degree there will be time difference of 4 minutes. Here time difference will be further 4 minutes. It means from 0 to 2, 8 minutes. Okay, and the time difference at 3 degree will be how much? It will be of 12 minutes. Okay, 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. So it will be how much? 4 minute here, 4 minute here and 4 minute here, 12 minutes. Okay, and if I ask you, okay, what will be the difference between the time, okay, from the line 1 degree and 3 degree, so it means how much? 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 2 degree means 2 degree difference is there, and when we know that 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes and 2 degree will be 2 into 4 is equals to 8 minutes. So you can say 4 and 4, 8 minutes. Clear? So these are the degrees of rotation, right, or value of lines of longitudes. 0 degree line longitude, 1 degree, 2 degree, and this is the time difference between these lines of longitude. So there is a difference of 4 minutes, okay, between two lines of longitude. Clear? Now so we have, what we have done, we have just so this is the concept of time. Okay, now suppose if it is 0 degree, right, and at 0 degree if it is 12 p.m, if it is 12 p.m, right, at 0 degree if it is 12 p.m, okay, just give me 1 minute. It must not be visible to you. Globe may be coming in between. Here I am drawing. This is 0 degree and here 12 p.m. Clear? And this is eastern hemisphere, this is western hemisphere, right? Now as the number line is there, on number line, like suppose, right, you draw positive side here and negative side here. Okay, likewise similarly it is also here, positive and negative, right? In eastern side the time is ahead and western side time is behind. Clear? Like suppose this is India, right? Earth is rotating this way. Clear? So first India will come in front of sun. So it means India is running ahead of England, right? First it will be a day in India, okay, morning in India, then India will come directly in front of sun, right, and then it will be noon, then it will pass over and it will be evening here, and then by then what will happen? By then these countries, okay, will come in front of sun, there noon will be there, and then afterwards England will come in front of sun. Okay, now, right, England will come in front of sun. So now here at England there will be noon, 12 o'clock, right? But as already India has experienced that time, okay, India experienced that time 5 hours and 30 minutes before only, 5.5 minutes, 5.5 hours before only, right? So India has already experienced, okay, and it has been 5.5 hours, okay, since India experienced noon and England is experiencing noon right now. So it means there will be 5:30 of evening only. Okay, what comes after noon? Evening only, right? So it means that India is running ahead. Why India is running ahead? Because India is in the east of 0 degree. 0 degree is prime meridian. Okay. So when you move this way, this is what? This is the eastern hemisphere. So when you move towards east, right, the time moves ahead. Getting or not? When you move towards east, it means the places which are easternmost, they will first experience sun, right? And as earth is rotating this way, then the places which are in the western hemisphere, they will come in front of sun afterwards. Okay, and this entire process will keep taking place, right? The place which is coming in front of sun, day will be there, and the places which are behind, okay, night will be there. Okay, earth will keep rotating, and days and nights phenomena of day and night will keep taking place. Okay, so here as these places, Japan, okay, Japan is facing front sun. Okay, that is why Japan is called the land of rising sun, right? It experienced sun before only, right? Means right, and first Japan experience morning, okay, then Japan comes directly in front of sun, then it will experience what? Noon. Okay, then afterwards what will happen? These places, when the Japan will be experiencing noon, these places will be experiencing or receiving dispersed light of sun, right, and will be experiencing morning. Okay, right, and when these places will receive straight light of sun and will be experiencing noon, so Japan will now start receiving diffuse light of sun and will be experiencing noon. Okay, getting or not? So I hope you would have understood that, right? So like this it will be moving. Okay, so the places which are easternmost, okay, means you can say the places which are at 179 degree, okay, east, that place will receive sun first. Okay, right, will be ahead, and here this place 179 degree west will be the place which is receiving the sunlight. Okay, at the last time. So here what I am trying to say is that, okay, if our country India is 82 degree and half minute east, this is the line of India, suppose this is IST, Indian Standard Time, right? This is a line which is passing through the center of the India. It is the prime meridian, and we have fixed our time from this 82 and a half degree only, right? And as it is in the eastern hemisphere, so it will experience time first. Okay, right? As it is 82 and half, 82 and half multiplied by 4, how much it will be? For 5 for the 20, uh, out of the, sorry, 0, then 8 32 or 33, right? So it will be 330 minutes. When there is a difference, what will be the longitudinal difference between England and India? 82 and half degree minus 0 degree is equals to 82 and half degree, right? So when 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes, okay, the difference of time between 1 degree longitude is of 4 minutes. So 82 degrees and half, 82 and a half degree will be multiplied by 4, it will be 330 minutes. It means when you will divide it by 6, it means you will get 5.5 hours, 5.5. Okay, 5 6 5s are 300. Okay, 300 means 5 hours and 30 minutes, 5 hours and 30 minutes, or 5.5 hours. Here 5.5 means 5.5. Okay, in terms of numbers, but in terms of time, half is 30 minutes. Okay, so I have written like this, 5.5 hours. Clear? So what I am telling you is that, okay, the difference of longitude from England to India is 82 and half degree, right? 82 and half degree. When there is a difference of 4 minutes for 1 degree, so for 82 and half degree, it will be how much? It will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. You can take out. Okay, getting or not? So here, if it is 12 p.m. in England, right? London, then it will be how much? 5:30 in Delhi. Clear? 5:30 at Delhi. Why? Because of this, right? And likewise, if suppose I ask you what will be the time at 100-degree east, sorry, 100-degree west. So west is minus, okay. So it means it will be 100 into 4, it means 400 minutes. 400 minutes means 6, yes, 6 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, 6 hours and 40 minutes, right? 400, when you divide when you change 400 minutes into hours, then how many hours you will get? 6 hours, right? And 40 minutes. So here what will be the time if it is 12, right? So here time will be how much? 5:20 a.m. right? When you will add these 40 minutes, it will become how much? 6, and 6 plus 6 will be 12, right? So it means there is a difference of 6 hour and 40 minutes, okay, between these two places, right? From 0-degree and 100-degree west, right? Here what we will do, here we will minus this, right? And here what we will do, here we will plus this, right? Here we will plus this. Getting or not? So there is a difference of 5 hour and 30 minutes. So if it is 12, so here it will be how much? 5:30, right? 5:30, or you can say 17:30. Same thing, okay? 17:30 or 5:30. Getting or not? And here what will be the time? Here it will be behind 6 hours and 40 minutes. So if it was supposed to be 6 hours behind only, then here would be 6 o'clock, but still it is 40 hours more behind, okay, right? So it will be 5:20. Getting or not? So this is the time calculation. Let me check video whether it is going on good or not. Okay, 27 minutes. So this is how we calculate time. Now we will study about the local time, time zones, standard time, and Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, now what is local time and what is standard time, right? And what is GMT? So the time at England, okay, this is called GMT. Okay, let me draw it again. Local time of any place is obtained by the overhead sun at noon. For each degree of longitude, the local time varies by 4 minutes. Okay, like suppose this is India, right? And we have just studied that 82.5 degree is standard meridian for India. Okay, right? So from India, right, one line, suppose one line, this is one line, it is 71 degree, 72 degree, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, right? 80, 81, 82, like this it is going on, right? Huh? Like this, so many lines are going on. Clear? So it has become hodgepodge. Not to make it complex, just we should keep it very easy, right? So for that, I am drawing this thing. Suppose this is 80 degree, 81 degree, 82 degree, 83 degree, 84 degree, 79 degree, 78 degree, right? And so 3 and 3, 81. Okay, right? Like this we can draw. Clear? Suppose this is one country, okay? Name A. This is the country A, right? Now, what we have to do, we have to study about the time here, okay? So, local time is the time when a place is just directly facing the sun, okay? When the sun is overhead. So, that when sun will be overhead, how you can come to know? Just take a peck or any stick, okay, and fix it in the ground, right? And just keep noticing, okay, the time when the shadow of this speck, okay, the shadow of this speck is shortest, right, is shortest, that will be what? That will be the noon time. Noon time, okay. In suppose morning, what will be there? Morning sun will be here, like this, okay. So it will be, sun rays will be falling like this, and it will be like this long, okay, getting or not? But on the second hand, right, when the sun is over the head this way, right, the sun rays will fall directly this way, okay, and you will be able to just receive this much shadow of this line only, okay, this much shadow, right? So that time is called noon time. This time, noon time, or 12, actual noon, or actual 12 o'clock, right? This is called local time. Local time of a place. Local time of a place, okay, right? Your watches may be showing, okay, 12:30 or 12:40 or 1 o'clock, right? But the shadow for this is shortest, okay, right? Actually, that time will be noon, and the actual time will be 12 o'clock. Local time will be 12 o'clock. But as your watches are showing 1 o'clock, so your watch is showing time of standard meridian, not the local time, okay. So now what is standard meridian? That we will study, okay. Local time is the time which is experienced by a place, okay, when it has sun overhead, okay. That time is called, you can say, local time or noon time, okay. So we calculate local time by that method, okay. Then, so here we know that for 1 degree it is 4 minutes, okay. So 78 degree, the time will be how much? It will be 32 को 2 से लगे 3 7 28 और 3 31 312, राइट, 312 यानी कि 32 it will be 5 hours and 12 minutes here, right? 5 hours 60 minutes here, and here 5 hours 20 minutes, 5 hours 24 minutes, 5 hour 28 minutes, 5 hour 32 minutes, and 5 hour 36 minutes. See what I have done. This is 78 degrees. So I have just multiplied 78 by 4. Why? Because 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes of time. Okay. So 78 degree multiplied by 4 will be how much? So 4 8s are 32, and then 7 4s are 28, and plus 3 it will be 312 minutes. Okay. So 312 minutes is equals to how much? 5 hours and 12 minutes. Getting or not? So here difference of 1 degree means difference of 4 minutes. So 312 plus 4, it will be 516, 512, 516, 520, 524, 528, 532, 536. Okay. 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. So we have just calculated first of 78 degree. It will be 312 minutes. It means 5 hours and 12 minutes. 5 बज के 12 मिनट, 5 बज के 16 मिनट, 5 बज के 20 मिनट, 5 बज के 24 मिनट, 5:28 okay, right? So 12 past 5, 60 minutes past 5, 20 minutes past 5, 24 minutes past 5, and 28 minutes past 5, 32 minutes, half hour past 5, okay, like this. We calculate the time, okay. So this is one country only, right? This is one country A, okay. Now, so people living in Punjab, in Haryana, in Delhi, in Madhya Pradesh, in Bihar, okay, in Assam, and in Arunachal Pradesh, right? So these places, people will be having different times, right? People will be having different times. So how will they calculate time, right? How it will be like, suppose one you are going, you were supposed to visit or to watch uh, a program, okay, at 5:36, right? At 5:36, right? You are here in Arunachal Pradesh, and you knew that at 5:36, Shaktiman will appear on the TV. Okay, Shaktiman will be broadcasted, right? Shaktiman will be broadcasted at 5:36. Clear? And you open TV at 5:36. Clear? But Shaktiman was being broadcasted from here, from Mumbai. Okay, from here, Mumbai, right? From station, right? Like this. So in their watches it is 5:12. In your watch it is 5:36. Okay? So according to you, Shaktiman should be broadcasted at 5:36. But according to them, still they are having how many minutes? 24 minutes more, right? So then you will wait for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and you will close the TV. You'll say they are not broadcasting, okay? Getting or not? But after 24 minutes, when it will be 5 plus 24, then it will be 5:36, okay? In their watches, at the time which they decided to broadcast Shaktiman, they will broadcast it, okay? Right? And in your watch, at the time, what will be there? It will be 6 o'clock. It will be 6 o'clock in your watch, okay? So this will be what? There will be a very difficulty in understanding the time, okay? And a time will be mismatched, okay? If you started calculating time by local times, okay? So for that, what we do? For that, we take a line which is in between as the standard meridian, okay? So what we will do? We will say कि भैया okay चलो ये तो this will be the local time, okay, and the meridian which is at the center of our country, which is 81, okay, right? 1 2 3 lines are here, 1 2 3 lines are here, so this will be at the center, right? So they said that the line which is at the center, right, that the time at that line will be taken as the time for the entire country, okay? And at that, what was the time? 5:24. So they will say that we are also adjusting our watches. Instead of 5:12, we are keeping it 12 minutes ahead, 5:24, and you are in the easternmost side, so it is in your watch, it is 5:36, so you also reduce time by 12 minutes and fix it to 5:24, okay? So for this entire country, the time will be 5:24 and 5:24, okay? Getting or not? Means now in entire country, the time will be 5:24, right? So that is called IST, or that is called standard time. Which time? Standard time. And the standard time of India is being decided by this line, 82.5 degree east. We have taken it as a standard meridian. So this is called IST, Indian Standard Time, okay? When we multiply it by 82.5 multiplied by 4, what we get? We get 5 hours and 30 minutes, okay? As we are in the eastern side, so plus means okay, we are moving 5 and 30 minutes ahead of time of London, okay? So if it is 12 o'clock in London, in India it will be 5:30, okay? Getting around. And as so many meridians, not only 82 in India, 81, 80, 79, 71, okay, and till 91, these many meridians are moving. So the time at those meridians will be the local time of that place, but we have taken the middle one, okay? Like here in this country A, we have taken 81. Like this line 82.5 degree is the line which is running from the center of India, okay, vertically, right? So that line has been taken as a standard line, okay, and time which is decided by that standard line is called standard time, okay. So here the time of each line is called local time, right? Each longitude, the time of each longitude is called local time, and the time of a longitude taken as a median or you can say middle one line, that time is called standard time, okay, and that is decided to avoid all these complexities, okay, like this, right? Time management, right? So this is called standard meridian. So we have studied about local time and standard meridian. In next lecture we will study about few more things. We have also studied about Indian Standard Time, right? Thank you so much.